Hey everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with Confidence, the show that helps you sound natural, feel confident, and actually enjoy learning English.
That's right. I'm Enna.
Same here. We're talking about something a lot of learners ask us. How can I improve my spoken English when I'm so busy?
And the answer is just 10 minutes a day. Seriously, that's all it takes if you're doing the right things.
So stick with us. By the end of this episode, you'll have a simple, powerful daily routine you can start using today.
Let's get into it.
So first, why 10 minutes? Can you really make progress in such a short time?
Absolutely. And it's actually backed by science. Short, consistent practice beats long, occasional sessions. It's called spaced repetition. Your brain remembers better when you come back to something repeatedly, even briefly.
Exactly. Think about it. Most of us can't sit down for 2 hours of study every day. Life gets in the way. But 10 minutes? Before breakfast? On your commute? During lunch? It fits anywhere.
And here's the key thing. Spoken English improves fastest when you actually speak. Not just read, not just watch videos, but open your mouth and make sounds.
Right. So in our 10-minute routine, speaking is always at the center.
Okay, Smith? Let's break down the routine. It has 4 mini steps, and each one builds on the last.
Love it. What's step 1?
Step 1, and this takes just 2 minutes, is what we call a warm-up tongue twister or sentence drill. You pick 2 or 3 sentences and say them out loud, clearly, maybe a little fast.
Like a vocal warm-up for a singer.
Exactly. Here are some great warm-up sentences. She sells seashells by the seashore. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck? Or you can use everyday phrases like, I'd like to make a reservation, please. Could you repeat that more slowly?
Mixing tongue twisters with real-life phrases is genius. You're training your mouth muscles and useful language at the same time. So what's step 2?
Step 2 is 2-minute vocabulary chunk practice. Now, notice I didn't say learn a new word. I said chunk, because fluent speakers don't just know words, they know phrases and combinations.
Oh, that's such a good point. For example, it's not just the word appointment, it's make an appointment, cancel an appointment, miss an appointment.
Yes, so pick one chunk and use it in 3 different sentences out loud. Let's try one together. The chunk is, I'm looking forward to.
Okay. I'm looking forward to this weekend.
I'm looking forward to meeting you.
I'm looking forward to seeing the results.
Perfect. See how natural that flows? That's because looking forward to is a chunk your brain stores together. It comes out as one unit, automatically. Step 3 is my personal favorite, 3 minutes of shadow speaking.
Oh, shadowing. Tell them what that is, Enna, because it's such a powerful technique.
So shadowing means you listen to a native speaker, a podcast clip, a YouTube video, even a movie scene, and you speak along with them at the same time. Lay a shadow. You copy their rhythm, their stress, their intonation, everything.
It's like karaoke for English.
Ha-ha! Yes! And it works incredibly fast. Even 3 minutes of shadowing a day can dramatically improve your pronunciation and rhythm within weeks.
A good tip, start slow. Find a clip of a clear, natural speaker. TED Talks, news summaries, or even this podcast work great.
Exactly. And don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to feel the rhythm of the language in your mouth. And step 4, the final 3 minutes?
Step 4 is solo speaking. This is where you talk, by yourself, about anything. Your morning, a topic you like, how you're feeling, what you want to do today. No audience, no judgment. Just you, practicing being fluent.
And here's a pro tip. Record yourself, even on your phone. It feels awkward at first, believe me, I remember. But listening back teaches you things no teacher can.
You notice your own pauses, the words you're missing, the sentences you need to build.
Right. And over time, you'll hear yourself getting better, and that is incredibly motivating.
Now, let's make this feel real. Enna, tell them about Maria.
Yes, so Maria is a viewer from Brazil. She's a nurse, incredibly busy. 12-hour shifts, 2 kids. She messaged us saying she tried to learn English for years, but always quit because she didn't have time.
Such a common story.
Right, and she started this 10-minute routine, just this routine, in January. By March, she told us she was having full conversations with English-speaking patients at work, without freezing, without panicking.
That's amazing.
And she said, and I love this, she said, I stopped waiting until I had more time. I started using the time I had.
That should be everyone's mantra. The time you have is enough. Let's use it well.
All right, before we wrap up, let's talk about 3 mistakes that can slow your progress, even when you're doing everything else right.
Mistake number 1?
Translating in your head. A lot of learners think in their first language, translate to English, then speak. This makes you slow. Instead, try to think directly in English, even simple thoughts. I'm hungry. I want coffee. This is difficult. Short, simple English thoughts build that direct connection.
Mistake number 2?
Waiting until you're ready. There's no such thing as ready. Fluency comes from speaking, not from studying more. The discomfort you feel when you speak is actually a sign you're growing.
I love that. Discomfort equals growth.
And mistake number 3?
I'll take this one. Mistake 3. Focusing only on grammar. Grammar is important, but perfect grammar won't make you fluent. Communication will. Native speakers make grammar mistakes all the time. What matters is, can the other person understand you? Does your message get across? Yes? Then you're speaking English.
Beautifully said. Communication first. Grammar is a tool, not a destination.
Okay, let's recap the 10-minute daily routine one more time for everyone.
Step 1. 2 minutes. Warm-up drills. Say sentences out loud, clearly and confidently.
Step 2. 2 minutes. Vocabulary chunk practice. Learn 1 chunk, use it 3 times.
Step 3. 3 minutes. Shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and speak along.
And step 4. 3 minutes. Solo speaking. Talk out loud, record yourself, listen back.
10 minutes. Every day. That's the whole thing.
And if you want a free printable version of this routine, something you can stick on your fridge or phone, the link is in the description below.
We also have a 30-day English speaking challenge starting next week. Completely free. You just sign up, and we'll send you a daily speaking prompt every morning, 5 minutes or less. And at the end of 30 days, I promise you, you will feel different.
Because you will be different. A little more confident. A little more fluent. Every single day.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today. If this episode helped you, share it with one friend who's learning English. You could change their year.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. What's your biggest challenge when speaking English? We read every single one.
Until next time, keep speaking, keep growing, and remember.
See you next time.
Bye. Bye, everyone.